Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to switch from Xfinity to Mint Mobile. Now first you need to check if there's actually coverage in your area. Usually there will be, just check out the coverage map. And then you can go ahead and bring your phone to Mint as well, as long as it's compatible and unlocked. Okay, just use the compatibility checker to find out. And if you want to keep your current number, just be sure to have your billing zip code, your account number, and number transfer pin, okay, from your current carrier. Remember, guys, do not cancel. Please do not cancel with your current carrier until after Mint activation is complete. You might lose your number to someone else, okay? Just be careful with that. Then you just select the right Mint plan for you. So they gave you a 5 GB, 15 GB, 20 GB, or unlimited data plans. It'll first start off for 3 months at their lowest price. Then you'll renew for 3, 6, or 12 months, whatever is appropriate for you. Just pick what you like. Then you can choose your preferred SIM option. So you can go ahead and get the digital eSIM delivery for instant activation or a physical SIM card mailed to you. Now, keep in mind some new phone models are eSIM only, so you'll have to check the eSIM compatibility. Then after you do this, guys, you just hop onto the Mint mobile app or website and you just use their step-by-step instructions to quickly activate your eSIM or physical SIM. And this is where you will go ahead and transfer your phone number or get a new one if you want. And there you go. You have officially switched over to Mint Mobile. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions.